Yeah, hi. So this is feature phone in which I'm demonstrating a UPI transaction and registration without internet. So I have inserted SIM overlay in this phone, and now in the main menu I can see the UPI application. The name of the application is HindPay UPI. So this is the menu: registration, set pin, resend OTP. So for the first time I have to do the registration for use, followed by setting up the pin. So let me do the registration. So this is the consent user has to give. Now registration process starts from here, entering the mobile number. This mobile number should link with the bank account which I am registering. The first name, first four letter of your bank's IFSC. So my bank account is from Standard Chartered, so the IFSC is SCBL. Okay. And now last six digit of bank account number. Press OK. So now a message is being sent from the phone to server for the UPI registration and device registration. So see, I have got the message that thank you for the registration, please set your pin. So for setting up pin, let me show you. I have received a OTP from Standard Chartered Bank. So let me note down the OTP somewhere. So again I'm going back to the application. I'm going to set pin, enter the OTP 316755, then last six digit of a debit card. So it is 91 911813, and the card expiry date in MMYY format is 0422. My pin. So this is the pin I want to enter, then press OK. Now again message is being sent to server. Yeah. So I have received a message that your pin will be set after the confirmation. So let me check my inbox. So my inbox says, dear customer, your UPI pin is successfully set. So now my pin is already set. Let me go to the UPI application again. So see, I have done the registration successfully. So now my application, I can see the options of send money, balance inquiry, bill payment and recharge, merchant payment, and there is a help section where I can check the call center number if something uh, some query I have to make for any transaction. I can also change the language. So let me show you how applications look in Hindi. So see, now my application is in Hindi as well. Money transfer, शेष राशि, पूछताछ, बिल भुगतान और रिचार्ज, मर्चेंट पेमेंट. Yeah. So now let me show you the balance inquiry. So I have to enter the PIN. So again, for every request, one message goes from the mobile handset, and then the response is received in the text message. So see, I have received response that dear customer, your account balance is this. Now let me show you send money. So again, I have to go to UPI application. The first option is send money. I can do the send money to UPI. So because of too much light, the white menus are not visible. So in send money I have two options, pay to UPI and pay to account. Let me select pay to UPI. So I have to enter the beneficiary UPI ID. Let me type the UPI ID. So 84470577722 @UPI. Yeah, so I have entered the UPI ID. So this, for like we do the transaction in other app, first the UPI ID is validated. So see this, the UPI ID is well validated from the backend that this UPI ID is for Abhinav Saxena, link with Abhinav Saxena. Now after validation, I have to enter the amount. So I am transferring 11 rupees. Then the UPI pin. Yeah. So the request is sent from phone. Yeah. So message is received. Dear customer, transaction of 11 is successful. Your transaction ID is this. Yeah. And this is a from my standard chartered bank account. I have again received a debit message. Yeah. Thank you.